Hello, I am Mohammad AlFailakawi and I will be teaching you how to calculate the average atomic mass with my partner Nasser AlSaad. Things first, always remember that isotopes have different atomic masses. Average atomic mass is the weight average of an atomic mass of an element's isotopes, which also means that this is a median of the isotopes. For example, carbon has two isotopes found in nature, so carbon, two isotopes. One is 12 and one is -13.
And I will be continuing to you about how to calculate the average atomic mass. Most average masses can be determined by several different places. Here is an example for how to calculate the average atomic mass. Calculate the average atomic mass for gallium. If 60% of its atoms have a mass of 68.926 AMU and 40.00% have a mass of 70.925. Gather the information you know that gallium has 60% and its AMU is 68.926, and the other one has 40% and the AMU is 70.925. So start putting it into the equation, which starts with 60 times 68.926. You add it up with the other one, which is 40 times 70.925. But first, since this is a percent, you have to change it into grams. So you divide each by 100. Step 2. After you divide it, this will become 0.6 times 68.926. And this will become 0.4 times 70.925. So first start adding them up. After you add them up, it will become 41.3556 plus 28.37. Step 4. Add them up, it will become 69.7256. And this is the end of the question. Let's repeat what we did. Step 1, you divide the percentage, change it into grams. So you divide it by 100. After you divide both sides by 100, you start multiplying, and it will turn up to you to become 41.3556 plus 28.37. Add them up, and always when you add them up, don't forget the sign, the average atomic mass sign. This is another question which is a little bit harder because it has three equations. Calculate the average atomic mass of oxygen. Its composition is 99.76 of atoms with a mass of 15.99 AMU, 0.038 with a mass of 17.00 AMU, and 0.20% with a mass 18.00 AMU. So start gathering the information and putting it into the equations. Step 1. 99.76% and divide it by 100 times 15.99 AMU plus 0.038% times 17.00 AMU and divide this by 100 plus 0.20% divided by 100 plus times 18 AMU. After dividing them, it will turn out to be 0.9976, 0.0038, 0.002. After that, you have to multiply it with the other number that's in the bracket. So when you multiply it, it will become 1.59 plus 0.00646 plus 0.036. Add them up and you'll get the answer. The last step, which will give you the answer, is adding them up. And the answer is 1.63246. And you can round it to 1.63.
So in a short way, just divide the percentage by 100 and then multiply it by the AMU and then add them. So I hope you understood and thank you for watching.